Hey, thinking of getting another rug for your house? Watch this video first. Don't be fooled. Viscose really is gross. Hey, it's Dave again with Regal Fabric here. Quick video to teach you some of what we're seeing out on the market. It's been prevalent over the last few years, and my belief is it's going to get more and more prevalent. And that is using knockoff fibers for rugs, area rugs like this. This is a typical, if my memory serves, it's about a 6x8, maybe a 6x9 rug. Comes from one of our local customers who brought it in, and their concern is obviously it's dirty, but then there's some rippling here. When they put this on another piece of carpet, wall-to-wall carpet, and under a big bed, which is not the best thing to do with this. But the major concern we have here is this knockoff fiber is viscose. Viscose is just a fancy word for rayon. It's a manufactured fiber. It is nowhere near as good as wool, but it is a cheaper alternative. A lot of retailers, from the most cost-conscious retail outlets to the very high end, are using viscose. My advice is to stay away. Why do you want to stay away from it? It does not clean as well as wool, nowhere near it. Will not last as long. You cannot get staining out as much. If there is a fade issue or a color loss issue, it's very difficult to re-dye it as opposed to wool, 100% natural wool. So if you look at a label like this, and it says viscose on it, that's again another fancy word for rayon. If it says art, A-R-T, silk, art silk, or A period silk, basically they want you to think it's silk, but it means artificial silk. So the only way to really find out what it is to test it. We've tested it, and it is in fact viscose. Another problem with this is because it lacks resiliency, these furniture dents here and here that you can see are going to be difficult to remove and make it look good. The customer knows that. They gave us the thumbs up to clean it anyways. Their main concern is this ripple. They somehow, the camera might not be able to pick it up, but this end of the rug is very rippled. And it was like that, the customer said she did it herself somehow and would like that flattened up. Again, if this was wool, it'd be much easier. So my advice to you is to look at the labels before you buy the rug. The design, of course, is preference, and you have to buy what you like. But if you can find it in wool, buy it in wool versus viscose or what's known as rayon. Thanks for watching. Forgot to mention, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it if you want to see more videos like this to keep informed of what's going on in the cleaning of soft furnishings. Thanks.